Today you stand at the beginning of a powerful journey, your main character saga. Get excited because in this guided setup, we will create a foundation for your success and consistency. First, we'll explore your guiding truths. These are what make you unique and what drive you. Then, you'll meet your muses, your companions along your heroic journey. We'll also visit Dreamland to explore what inspires you. And then we'll identify the one dream of dreams, your mountain, that will be your target goal for your 55-day quest. Are you ready? Let's do this. Remember, you don't need to have all the answers today. You just need a willingness to start, to take the first step, and to accept the challenge, because it will be worth it. This system is unique because it's about you. You are the author and star of your life saga, and you deserve to live a life of purpose, of passion, of abundance, and freedom. How you define each of those is up to you. Why be an extra in someone else's life story, building their dreams, when you can curate your own legacy? That's what this is about. It's about embracing the unknown and discovering that you do have what it takes. Together, here's how we can make that happen. This system is crafted to help you laser in on one aspirational goal for your 55-day quest. It's not about doing more things, it's about putting your energy and focus into something that can transform your life and our world. You are powerful, we all are. And with the right focus, you can achieve the miraculous, like a sword slicing through stone. The purpose of your quest is to choose a goal, a mountain, that feels a little, or a lotta, uncomfortable. Something that stretches you just beyond your current comfort zone. Something that may require learning some new skills or habits along the way. Much like a choose your own adventure video game. And this system makes it super easy to track your progress as you go. You earn hero points, or HPs, as you slay your quest. Why is a quest 55 days? Simple. We as humans tend to underestimate how long it really takes to complete projects. We focus on best case scenarios and don't always take the inevitable hurdles that will come up into account. And when you're stepping into the unknown, like launching a social media brand or business, there will be twists and turns along your quest. That's life. If you were to set a goal to launch a brand in 30 days, then you have to take a week off. What then? You've lost a quarter of the time you allotted. It may be a small setback, but it's one that can trick us into believing a goal is no longer worthy of our effort. A 55-day quest gives you freedom. Freedom to choose which paths you take up your personal mountain. Freedom to make adjustments when you need to. And freedom to rest when necessary. Because powering up your energy is just as important as planning your work. Imagine yourself, 55 days from now, looking back on your journey. The victories, the lessons, the growth, all of it. Imagine feeling proud of how far you've come and who you've grown into. Because here's the thing. If you get just 1% better every day for the next 55 days, that's a 75% improvement. In your skills, in your focus, in your habits, and so on. Small daily improvements compound into sweet, sweet gains over time. It's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed. And showing up for yourself each day is how you get there. You are ready to embark on your 55-day quest. Affirm to yourself now, I have what it takes. You may not have all the answers today, but they will come. And your 55-day quest will not only help you reach your goal, it can transform your life. Let's get started.